Where does the name for Braich y Dinas come from? So behind me, here, there should be a big round-topped hill on top of Penmaen Mawr, with a huge hill fort on top of it, one of the largest in Britain. But there isn't. Let's get into the name. Braich literally means an arm, but in the landscape it points to something narrow, a ridge of land, a mountain spur, or even a headland reaching out into the sea. Is simply the, and Dinas, today we think of it as a city, but in Middle Welsh it meant something older, a hill fort. It comes from the root din, meaning a fortified place, with the ending as, which makes it bigger, grander, and more impressive. High on the summit of Penmaen Mawr, overlooking the northern edge of the Carneddau, there once stood Braich y Dinas, one of the greatest hill forts in North Wales, if not Britain. For centuries it crowned the mountain, its massive stone ramparts encircling the peak. Within them were nearly 100 huts, mostly oval, built of thick stone walls. This was a community, people grinding their corn on heavy saddle querns, spinning wool on spindle walls and trading with the outside world. Finds from the site include a bronze spearhead, pottery, bracelets with Celtic designs, even coins of Roman emperors. Early visitors were astonished. Thomas Pennant, travelling here in the late 1700s, praised the fort's preservation. Later writers described walls 12 feet thick and 15 feet high, with circles of stone huts scattered across the summit. Some were so complete that one still had a roof. This was a place where Bronze Age cairns, Iron Age strongholds and Roman objects all mingled, evidence of thousands of years of human life on this mountain. But the 20th century brought change. The mountain was rich in stone, and in the 1900s the Derbyshire family owned the mineral rights. They knew the newly formed Royal Commission was looking to protect ancient monuments like Braich y Dinas, and rather than lose their profits, they acted quickly. So they did what anybody would do under these circumstances. They had the quarrying rights to the land underneath it, a huge hill fort, one of the largest in Britain. It was going to be protected as a monument of national significance, so they blew it up. Well, they didn't blow it all up in one go, but quarrying was pushed straight into the summit through a mix of dynamite and manpower. The Commission pleaded for preservation, even raised the issue in Parliament. Newspapers reported on the destruction and public opinion grew louder, but the Derbyshires pressed on. For them, the hill fort was less important than the stone it stood on. And by the 1930s, the great fortress was gone, not lost to time, but deliberately blasted away, sacrificed to the quarry face. So the name literally means the ridge, the spur of the hill fort. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.